Hey guys, and welcome to episode number 95 of Optimization by Oliver. This one's got some great little tests in it, so stick around to the end because I think the last page is probably one of my favorite transformations we've done in some time. I'm Oliver, and for context, this is what we do day in, day out. We do conversion rate optimization for a number of ecom brands online, and we've been doing it for 12 years. So this series is where I show you what I would do if I pick a random brand online that I don't currently work with, but would love to in order to optimize their store to generate more revenue. I've got 3-page transformations for you, and I'm really excited to share these. So this is Olipop. We picked out, they sell these cans of drinks, really cool brand. And in fact, they actually do really good stuff. They optimize their store very, very well. But I think there's some little things here that they can pick up on and hopefully test. Again, I have no access to data, so it's purely kind of heuristic UX UI. We start with the cart drawer. One little thing is we've added this further incentivized or gamified, I guess, the free shipping prompt. They stop at free shipping. We would take it one step further and offer a free gift. You know, why not offer another can, an extra can, whatever it may be, in order to boost that AOV. You could even offer little samples of other drinks because people therefore might try them and not know they like them and therefore come back and buy them in bulk. Really nice idea. They do very well with their subscription here, but I think it could be done nicer. We've just added this as a more obvious selection box here. We've also broken down the price so they can visually see how much they're saving when it comes to the actual price and not just saying, you know, save 15%. We've added those in-cart upsells below, of course, and then we've just better laid out the bottom section. We've added in a reminder of the guarantee and the payment seals, which just further enhance the trust and credibility within the cart. The PDP doesn't need much optimization. As I said, these guys do a great job, but there are a few things I would do. One, I would just add in this nice little bar that sits below the navigation. We call it a trust policy bar. It just reminds people of the kind of free shipping that they can get, the guarantees they can get, and it just makes you more trusted as a brand when people land here. Below the image carousel, we've got our social proof. Why haven't they guys got social proof on the before? I don't know. Just pull it up above the fold. Really, really clear. We've also added in below the name of the product, the clear indications of this is a single flavor, how many cans you get. Backed it up with a nice description. I would probably test having this as bullet points as well versus a description. And yeah, just a really nice way of further enhancing what already is a very nicely optimized PDP. But here's definitely something that I think they could improve on, their homepage, and we've done some subtle changes. One, again, we've reaffirmed that trust policy bar. It's just a nice bar to kind of get people to read these bullet points plus icons to further encourage them to purchase from a store that they may not trust already. It just has trusted elements in there like guarantees and shipping times, etc. And it just makes you feel trusted when you land on there. Speaking of which, adding social proof. I don't know why brands just don't have social proof above the fold. It always works. It always converts better. These guys have over 50,000 5-star reviews. Why wouldn't they be just singing this from the rooftops? And I would. We then laid this out slightly different with bigger fonts. We've got a nice description supporting that headline. But most importantly, we've got these 3 icons and 3 benefit-driven bullet points around less sugar, high in fiber, and delicious flavors, which are all so important to a consumer who's buying this type of product. And then we have this nice shop now button. So subtle changes, little ideas, but ideas that on a size of a store of this size could make huge differences. And that's what CRO is all about at this volume of data. Get in touch with us. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Hit subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you in the very next one.